But the reality is that many professionals begin their journey in entry-level IT roles that focus on learning, troubleshooting, and supporting systems. In this video, we will explore common entry-level IT jobs that help you start building real experience. You do not need perfection. You need a first step. Many look at senior job descriptions and feel overwhelmed by the long list of required skills. They think they need to know everything before applying for a first position. This perspective is understandable, but it is fundamentally incorrect. The path into tech is not a leap over a wall. It is a series of small, manageable steps. Most people in tech did not start as experts. They began with entry-level jobs that teach the fundamentals. These roles are the training grounds of the industry. They provide a safe space to learn, to make mistakes, and to grow. You are not expected to be a seasoned professional on your first day. You are expected to be curious, willing to learn, and ready to contribute in small ways. Your journey into IT begins with a single, humble role. This first job is your gateway, providing real-world context no textbook can fully replicate. Think of it like learning any complex skill. You would not expect to play a concert piece after your first lesson. You start with scales, simple songs, and build muscle memory slowly and deliberately. An entry-level IT job is your set of scales. It teaches the basic notes and rhythms of the industry, how systems connect, how problems are solved, how teams collaborate. This experience is not just a line on a resume. It is the ground you will build upon. You do not need a CS degree or a decade of coding. You need willingness to learn and clarity on the first step. One of the most common entry points is IT support. They are the first line of defense for everyday technical problems. Computer problems, software errors, network connectivity issues, password resets, system troubleshooting. You learn methodical problem solving with tools and checklists. Check heavy processes, scan for malware, ensure updates. A closely related role is the helpdesk technician, or the service desk analyst, often focused on remote support via calls, emails, and tickets. They guide users with clear, simple language and document every interaction. Documentation tracks issues, identifies trends, and enables clean handoffs. You learn patience, empathy, translation of jargon, and when to escalate to senior teams. After time on the front lines, a junior system administrator is a natural next step. You move from individual issues to maintaining the systems everyone relies on. Manage accounts, permissions, and enforce access policies. Deeper security and identity understanding. Monitor server performance, verify backups, apply security patches. With cloud adoption, cloud support associate roles are growing. Platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud assist with configuration, troubleshoot apps, answer billing and usage questions, learn VMs, storage, basic networking, identity and access, and monitoring for cost performance. This experience positions you for cloud engineering, architecture, and DevOps. Another path is technical support specialist, deep expertise in a specific product. Help external customers use the product effectively and resolve issues. Replicate issues in a test environment, analyze logs, and find root causes. Write clear bug reports and collaborate with engineering. Insight into how products are built, tested, and improved. You develop communication valued across development, QA, and sales engineering. Great support drives product success and career growth. Entry-level roles teach tickets, documentation, and working under deadlines. Hiring managers see someone who understands the basics, real users, real problems, real deadlines. It provides context, the skills, and the credibility to advance. It is the essential first chapter of your professional story. Next, how to prepare for these jobs. Even if you are starting from scratch, preparing for your first IT job does not require a huge investment. Build a solid foundation. Understand CPU, RAM, storage, and how computers work. Learn the basics of major operating systems, Windows and Linux. Then networking, IP addresses, routers, and how data moves. Build a small home lab, an old computer or a virtual machine with free tools like VirtualBox. Install an OS, configure networking, break things, and fix them. Use the terminal. Certs can help. CompTIA, ITF+, A+. For cloud, AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure Fundamentals. Do not neglect soft skills. Communicate clearly, work in a team, handle pressure calmly, practice explaining concepts in plain language. In support, understanding the user's problem is the first step. These people skills are as valuable as certifications. Once you land the job, treat it as a paid apprenticeship. Your mindset is everything. Be a sponge. Watch how seniors approach problems, the tools and shortcuts they use. Before asking, check documentation and search quickly. Document symptoms, steps, and solutions. It helps you and your team and proves professionalism. Volunteer for small tasks. Organize, write quick procedures. Signal you are proactive. Say, I do not know yet, but I will find out, and follow through. Notice what you enjoy, networking, automation, security, DevOps, and let that guide your next steps. Starting a career in IT does not require perfection. It requires patience, curiosity, and consistent learning. Entry-level roles are the foundation of a strong technical career. They teach problem-solving, teamwork, and how technology functions in real organizations. A little practice each day compounds into deep skill. Your career is not a race. It is a steady climb. Each step moves you forward. The door to a rewarding career in tech is open. The first step is yours to take. Start with the basics, practice consistently, and secure that first role. Follow the Calm Engineer for structured guidance and practical career advice.